So let's start by paying homage to the Buddha. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. So today we will learn the declension of the in the lesson 30, so we will learn the numerals, so cardinal and ordinal numbers we already in last time. So now declension of the numerals. Okay, so now today we will learn the declension of numerals. So so under these numbers, so the person, with eka is actually 1. So now that eka we will learn how to decline. So actually in Parliament easy, you see so about the declension. So actually eka is here. Decline like the pronoun yard. See, so lesson 26. So that is fine. Let's go back to the lesson 26. So in the lesson 26, relative pronoun yeah. Okay. So relative pronoun yeah is here 3 genders. So yo, ye, yan, ye, yina, ye, yebi. This is masculine. And neutral is yan, ye, yani, yan, ye, yani, the rest. And also the feminine gender are so ya, yo, ya, yo, and so on. So actually, even though in this way, Parliament is said, actually not exactly the same as that ya. So that information, so we can see in the other book. So that is, so Geiger grammar. So that cardinal numbers, number 1 and 2. So eka. So eka is inflected like the inya. Inya and ya are mostly the same. Okay. So now singular dative, dative and genitive masculine ekasa. That is also yesa. But for feminine is ekesa. Not yesa, not like the yesa. So exactly the same as inyesa. So yes, we don't use yes. That is fine. Instead of saying the same as the yard, the same as the inya is better to understand. So the same way in the located case, so ika same, but in feminine gender ikesa, and also ikesan. And then so ika is actually 1 or a single one. That is fine. Only in the singular can be, but plural also can be seen. So, but at that time, when it is used as a plural, that means eke is signifying some. Eke means, some, not one. So that is why this information is important to understand completely. So that is why here, eka is the same as the inya. Inya, that inya also, where we land. Okay, here we will land. So ika, so firstly masculine, and then singular and plural. So here, ika singular means one, plural some. So based on that information, I write down here. So singular is iko, plural is iki, and the accusative case, singular is ikan, plural is iki. And then, so instrumental is ikina, plural is ikb, and then ikihi. And then ablative also, maybe, so ika sama, and then ikama. So, and then for plural is, so ikb, and then ikihi, okay? And then for dative and genitive, so ikasa, only singular form. So for plural, so ikisan, and then the other, so ikisanen, okay? And then now the last one is, so located case is, so ika samay, and then so ikami. And then so iki is maybe iki also, like the boat day, okay? And for plural ikisu. So singular is masculine is in this way. Very simple. We already learned like the ya or as well as inya, mostly sa or da or like that. So the same. But here, important one we need to remember is, so ika, so singular means one, but plural means, some. So different one. Because ika is a single one. That is, it should be only a singular declension, but plural also, but different meaning. Okay, that point. And so for neuter, so for neuter is only, accusative case and nominative case and accusative case are different. So nominative case is ikan, and plural is iki, and the ikani, like the ye yani. Okay. And then, so accusative case also, ikan, and iki, and then ikani. Okay. So, but for feminine, so for feminine gender, so singular and plural. So nominative case. So for actually, so for masculine, stem is ika we use. And neutral stem also actually ika we use, but for feminine is a system ika, like the Kenya mostly, or ya or something. So that is one. Singular one is ika, and the plural also ika. So ikayo. And then so accusative case. So ikam, ika, no ikayo. And then so common form from instrumental, and then so ablative, and then so dative, so genitive, and then locative. So common form is ikaya. Okay, plural form is so ikabi, and then ikahi. Okay, so dative genitive also ikaya. Okay, and then for plural is ikasam, and then ikasa. So for the locative, so common form is ikaya. And another form is ikaya. Okay, and then ikasu. So that is very common. So the same as the ya or inya, but for the dative, so we have the another form is that is ikesa, this way. And then for the locative also, ikesam, in this way. So three forms for the locative case singular. So that form are very special one. So those ekesa, ekesan are actually, so stem is actually, originally eka. So that is masculine. So that one also, all of those numerals are mostly adjective, numeral adjectives we say. That information also in the Geiger. So eka, okay, individual is separated. Okay, dwi has two forms as they are not included here, maybe in the polymer easy. So eka is like the pronoun, yeah, okay. So, and then from dwi to aṭṭhārasa, all cardinal decline like in plural. So they are adjective. Setup. Oh, so here you see. So cardinals are used also as the adjectives. So that is three gender. You see, cardinals. So those cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that can be used as well as the maybe equal one or equal Buddhist or one man. So equal 80 like that. So that is why they can be three gender with this information. So we need to note this. So Now, originally stem is eka, so that is masculine. So to form to the feminine gender, so eka, by adding the feminine gender sign a. So we have the eka. Okay, so at the time that is feminine. So in this way. So commonly in this way, but this special form is, so maybe a misunderstanding of the form. So this eka masculine is for the dative and the genitive. So dative and the genitive. So singular is, ekasa. So to the ekasa, so by adding the feminine gender sign a, so and then it is, so ekasa. So now feminine. And then here, maybe irregularly, this a is changed to the, e. So that is why we have the ekasa in this way. Okay, so, and then from the ekasa, so we take the ekasa stem, and then here again, so located case, the other sign, singular sign is m. So that is why. So ekasa in this way. So, and by adding the maybe am or lo. So ekasam in this way. So here maybe this changing is from this stage. So firstly, ekasa is changed to the e. So ekasa stem in this way. So from that one, again, we use the ekasa and then ekasam in this way. So dative genitive singular is ekasa. So locative singular is ekasa. The rest are, so from the, masculine, all-out form, and neuter, all-out form, and the feminine, all-out form, except the ekasa and ekasa are the same as the ya. So that is in Pali easy. So, but this ekasa is a special form. So that is the same as the, inyesa. So maybe in dictionary we can see inya. Okay, so here inya is pronoun, and inya, minya. So inyina and not here. Maybe the other one. Okay, so feminine gender. So typing mistake. No, not inyasa, actually inyesa. That is maybe typing mistake in that software. Oh, the other one. So inya. Okay, in this software, maybe you have here inyasa. No inyasa. Actually inyesa here also. Inyasa. We don't have the inyasa form. So we can see in the Tipitaka itself, it can be found. It can be found. So inyasa. Yes. So here 55 times. So we can see. So in the Vinaya, 80 times. So that is commentary. So here inyasa. Okay. Here also inyasa. So ahankasa inyasa 80 ya. So here together with the 80 ya feminine gender, you see. Maybe in the Digha Nikaya also. So here Mahabri Nirvana Sutta also. Yeah, inyasa aya saya or doniya, all of them are feminine gender, you see. Badi Koje to okay, there's Jaran. So and then Mahabri Nirvana Sutta also here. Inyasa. So ayasaya doniya. So in the Majjhima Nikaya also here. So inyasa. So Kansa Bhatiya, feminine gender. In the Samudana Nikaya, or no Samudana Nikaya, in the Ingodra Nikaya. So also commentary. And the Kodaka Nikaya in the Dhammapara, Idivodaka. Oh, so Jadaka commentary. So all of them are inyasa, not inyasa. Okay, just to show that one. Inya. Okay. So inya that allocated genitive. Yeah, inyasa. Instrumental genitive or locative. Okay. Inyasa. Okay, so thank you, Jen. So inyasa. So here maybe so inyasa or ikesa. Eka also, you know, we can see. But eka already itself ended. Eka. Sorry. So eka. Eka and una not included declension. Okay, so but that in the previous book already. So that Geiger. So here you see, for the locative, so ikasami, but for feminine, you know, ikesa and the ikesa. So data and genitive also, ikesa, we already did that one. Okay. So, okay, now let's move to the next information. Okay, Damadra.
Bante, excuse me. I think maybe you have to change to aṭṭhārasa instead of aṭṭhārasa already, since you analyze dative genitive. Aṭṭhārasa to aṭṭhārasa plus R and then A. The next one, aṭṭhārasa.
Okay.
No. Dative genitive, Bante. The dative genitive.
Okay. Yes, thank you.
That's right. Thank you.
So now next. So that is here. Eka is this note. We need to note that. So Eka is inflected or declined at the same minute. So like a inya. That note. So instead of the yacht. Okay. And then now next information for declension. So that one is in the PME easy already, that information. So here you see, from Dwi up to the aṭṭhārasa, so 2 to the 18. So all cardinals are declined only in the plural number. Okay, plural number. So Dwi to the aṭṭhārasa. Are only plural. Okay, only plural. Only plural forms. And then so among these, so 2 to the 18 are plural forms. So how to say? And then among them, so D, so 3 N, so Jaturu, so 4 R, so in 3 genders. Okay, but the rest are three genders. So how to say? In 3 genders. But so the rest number. So the rest 2 to 18 are the same form in 3 genders. Even though they are used 3 genders, but the same forms. Okay, so that information we can see. Firstly, number 2, dui. So this dui is so singular, so plural, and then so no singular form. Right? So nominative case, and then so accusative case. The same form. Doi. Okay, doi. And then for the instrumental and the ablative, so dui bi, and then dui hi. Okay, and then so dative and genitive plural is so doing. Okay, doing. And then so locative case plural, so dui su in this way, dui su. So here you see, so this dui also a kind of the pronominant. So some numerals belong to the numeral group. So, sorry, pronoun group. Some numerals belong to the pronoun group. For the information, maybe in that so book. So list out those pronouns. Okay, instead of that one, so we should go to the maybe in the traditional grammar, the Badaruba Seti. So here, Badaruba Seti, at the Nama chapter, Olenga, Alenga, Nebadika, maybe under the Alenga. Sorry, not that way. is opapati. Let's saw that one. Okay, so now to save the time, later I will show you that reference. Sam, so like the eka and the dwi, not teacher two. So after the eka and the dwi are so counted as a pronominal pronoun, even though they are numerous, considered as a pronoun. So that is why, you know, here eka also eke like the, you know, ya, ye. So ya in the nominative case plural, ye is inya also inye. So here eka also eke, and then so here dwi also dwi in the plural form, you know. Final one is, you know, the same as the here. The point I want you to notice is so like so ye and the day, and then, you know, sabe and so on. So that is when they are considered as a, you know, pronominal group, but the rest are a bit different. So eka also considered as a that one. Okay, that one. So so now the other one, you know, banja. Okay, the and jadu later we will learn. So banja to the banja to the up to, you know, aṭṭhārasa are the same declension. So the same as the banja. So at that time we don't have the, you know, how to say so now nominative case plural, you know, only banja. We don't have the binji form, you see. That point I want you to understand. So accusative case also banja. And then the instrumental and then ablative. So instrumental and ablative is so banja be or, you know, banja he. You see here here dwi be dwi he, so dwi nan. So before the be he, so short vowel become the long. You see dwi be dwi he, and the dwi su. But so from banja to the aṭṭhārasa, not changing that way. So to the banja, just be is added. To the banja, just he is added. So before the, you know, banja, so ya. So for example, to compare that one, so ya is, you know, ye be, and then so they be, and so on. So even though ya, but a is changed to the a. So here also, if that binja belong to the pronoun group, so maybe binji binjehi like that, as a So that different one, you see, that is, and they are not considered as a pronoun group in this way. So dative and the genitive. Also, so binjana. Okay, binjana. This one is double one. So binjana, like the doina. And then for the locative. So banja su. In this way, so the other one cha also cha. So cha bi, cha hi, and then chana, cha su. Sada also sada, sada bi, sada hi, and the sadana, sada su. And then dasa, also dasa. So dasa bi, dasa hi, dasana, dasa su. And to the aṭṭhārasa. So aṭṭhārasa, aṭṭhārasa bi, aṭṭhārasa hi, aṭṭhārasana, aṭṭhārasa su. So 5 to the aṭṭhārasa, the same form in this way. So even though dwi is the same as the do banja, but so different group. So consider as a pronoun group. That is why here dwi. So in this way, dwi. So R is changed to E is changed to the A or something like that. So that information here you see, dwi, and then dwi hi, dwi bi, and then dwi na, dwi su. So in three gender, the same form. Okay. And then banja. So here banja also 5. So banja. Here vocative case. Actually, vocative is rarely banjahi, banjabi, and then banjana, banjasu. You see here this information. So cha, sada, and then all cardinal number aṭṭhārasa are declined like the banja in plural form in all three genders. The same one. Okay. So now the other ones we skip. So 2, 3, and 4. So that D 3 so can be different. So the first one masculine, and then neuter, and then so feminine. Okay, all of them are just plural. So nominative case. So very irregular. Teyo. And then for the neuter, so dini. And then so deso for the feminine. Okay, for the feminine. So to remember that one, how they are different. So actually, to my experience, actually I try to remember together with the your buris in this way, together with that now. And then, so dini also, maybe dini, falani in this way. I try to remember together with the following now. And then they saw 80 in this way. I try to remember in this together with. So when we see Burisa, at that time we can understand, oh, the yo is masculine. When we see Falani, maybe Dini is neuter. So when we see 80, we can understand they saw is feminine. So the yo Burisa, Dini, Falani, and they saw 80 in this way. I try to remember. So, but okay. Accusative case also the same form. Okay. So the yo Burisa, Burise, so Dini, Falani, and they saw 80. And then, so instrumented and so ablative. So instrumental and ablative, the same. So DB and D heat. So neuter also DB D heat. Okay. And feminine also DB and then D heat. Okay. So in the instrumental ablative, all of these three genders are the same form, DB, D heat. So DB, D heat, Buri se heat. Okay. And then D heat, play heat. So the same way D heat, AT heat, the same form in these three gender. And then dative, and then genitive. So Dane, but so become with the dot. Dane. Okay. Maybe the other form also. So Dainanan also. And then the same way neuter also Dainam. Dainan. Okay. So for the feminine gender, so they send only one form. Yeah, only a single form. They send, yes. So here only Dainan, but Dainanan also. So we cannot include it here. That D. So numeral D compound, or that is compound. So D or E D. So D Jetu, D Bada, D Yojana, only those four. So and then so here D Yo. So here Dana, and then Dana. Okay, so, and then Declension. Okay, later I will explain that one. So, and then now located case. Located case also the same. No, the suit. Neuter also the suit. And then feminine also the suit. Okay, so now only here. So neuter and then feminine. And then feminine. Only these forms are different. But here for the data and genitive, so the same as the masculine. Okay. So now masculine is very irregular, quite difficult to explain. But for the instrumental ability at D, DB, just B added. So but before the DB, so short ball become the long, like the DB, DB. Okay. And for the Dana, so masculine Dana. So actually that is, the re. So the re. So that information. In the dictionary already, I think. So D. Okay, that D is actually from the maybe here there is. Okay, instead of that one where we can see in the Geiger book. So D is okay. So D, okay. This D, so data and genitive is so Dana. He also not explained. Actually, so that D is actually maybe the yo, okay. So this the yo form. So here you see they saw, okay, but family and D need, and also D need. So here you see, that is from the deri or deri, okay. So deri need. So here ra sound is included. So because of that, so deri or maybe ra. So in Pali we use the short one. So that is we can understand deri acid. So because of that, so after that, we use the name. Okay. So influenced by that ra sound. So this na is changed to the with the dot. Na. Okay. But even though we see the short one before the nan short ball become the long. So that is why we have the din in this way. Din. But so in this in, so long vowel single consonant, e and not change to the short vowel, so double consonant, or sorry, with the dot already. So in this we have the Dane. Okay, Dane. But for the for Declension, maybe from the Deso, because feminine stem, instead of using D, feminine stem, Desa or Deso, maybe Deso or Desa, maybe something. That one using as a stem. Okay. So and then from the maybe with the feminine gender sign R or something that is possibly probably explained, and the nan. So now take Sam nan this way because of this long R, also short vowel, a long vowel single consonant become the short vowel double consonant in this way. Maybe. So I'm not sure. So just thinking. So and then here, so they nan. So maybe in some places, even in the so here they san, okay, but they nan in the Gajayana or Badaruba city, so it can be seen. Not here. So okay, let's see. In the Dibidaka, so we need a commentary, and the Angodra Nika and Sayuddha Nikaya, and Kodaka, and Vidama, and many. Okay, so in the Vinaya, all of them are comment from the commentary. So here also, they nan. And in the Sayuddha Nikaya also, here they nan. Okay. And here also they nan bhavan. So in this way, we can see, you see, even though not included there. So that they nan is also, so from the, they nan. So we take they not stand. They not stand. So after that, nam is applied. So double blended, double kiss ended. So we already learned, yesan, nan. Here also they nan, and then so they nan in this way. So double kiss ended. Here they nan already, digit and genetic is plural. So from that, partly we take they not base. After that, again, so case ending sign is added. So in this way, they nan. So repeated form or blended form. So in this way. Okay, disu is okay, no problem. And then now, so the last one, which so chetu, the one is actually chetur. So 4. This chetu also actually so masculine. So neuter. So feminine. And then all of them are plural. So, and then nominative and the so accusative is so jattaro. So that one also I try to remember jattaro, burisa, and the jattaro, burise in this way. for neuter is, jattari. So jattari, riya sijjani. In this way. But for feminine, so jattaso, 80 yo in this way. Jattaso 80 yo. So these are also like the D instrumental and the ablative case. So jattu B, and then so jattu he. The same way. Jattu B, and then so jattu he. So feminine also no more different. So jattu B, and then so jattu he. But one more different form is, jattu B. Okay, jattu B. So jattu B later I will explain now. So actually, so that jattu B also can be three gender neuter and masculine and feminine also. Okay, and then now, so dative and then genitive. So jattu, okay. Also, jattu, but for feminine is so jattasanan, okay. And then locative. All of them are the same. So, jattu su. Also jattu su. And here also jattu su. So here jatta robulisa, jatta risijani, and jatta so 80 yo. Okay. And then here jattu B. So jattu B. So that jattu B is actually, so because of this one, ras, huh? Ra. So jaturu. So after that the B. So at that time, ra ba become the ba ba in this way. So we have the jattu B. So we have some form, maybe in the stanza or something like that. And then here jatuna also, even though but here ra sound we can see, but not so without dot. So such a one also can be seen. Here also jatuna. Okay, that so such a Dante to the lingo retro plus changing is not all the time, optionally. So jatur and the na. So rana become the nana. So jatuna. Okay. And then for the jadasana, you see that one also like the here from the they saw we use the they saw stem. Here also for the jadasa, so we have the jadasa stem or something like that. So jadaso, sorry, no jadaso, a single. So from the jadaso, we use jadasa or something like that. After that, the name, or maybe so that. So jadasanan or something in this way. So we can see irregularly somewhat. Okay, so now time's already Okay, so any question? Okay, Damadra.
Bhante, regarding this, when you're on the digital Pali reader, and then you press navigation and then came out 3 capital letter M-A-T. What do they stand for? M-A-T.
In the digital Pali reader.
Yes, and then you press on navigation. Navigation, that's right. The blue color M-A-T, capital M and A-T. That's right.
M is Mula Pali Canon.
Oh, Mula. The root
A is aṭṭhārasa.
aṭṭhārasa. What does it stand for?
Aṭṭhārasa is commentary.
Oh, commentary, aṭṭhārasa.
You see, you here click. Can you see? Search to Mula, and then here. So
Yes,
yes. Pop up. You see. Search to aṭṭhārasa. That is commentary.
Yes.
Sub commentary. You see.
Yes, Bhante.
Okay.
Now see it. Thank you, Bhante. Thank you.
Okay.
I missed that.
Any question? Okay, so no more. So if no more question, so let me stop here by saying sadhu. So sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Good night, Bhante. Thank you.
Good night. Welcome.
Thank you, Bhante. Good night. Sukyotu.
Good night.
Okay, Hodu. Good night. Welcome.
Thank you, Bhante. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Bhante.
Welcome.